Hi everyone. So in this session we are going to see about the NAT configuration part. So as you are aware that NAT we are going to use to access the internet. That means from private to public conversion. Okay, so this is my internal IP address. That is my private IP address range, and in my topology I'm just considering this is my public range, that is 192.168.11.0. so actually I'm using this EVNG. So in this just natted, originally I have natted the public IP with this 192.168.11.0. so that's why in our scenario we are going to see the natting part with that 192.168.11.0. okay, let me ping to the public DNS. It is not pinging. Let me okay, so let me ping to the public, the outside interface IP, that is 11.1. it's pinging. Even 11.3 is VLAN interface of the outside switch. Sorry, run ping 8.8.8. this is also not pinging. So this is another DNS, public DNS, not pinging. So fine, so let me go to the DMZ switch. From there let me ping 192.168.11.1, so which is my outside IP address. Okay, let me ping from my inside switch to the outside IP is not pinging. Okay, let me ping to my outside switch VLAN interface, also not pinging. Okay, let me open the inside Windows system. Okay, from there let me ping to outside IP is not pinging, and the VLAN interface of outside switch also not pinging. That's fine, it's the normal behavior without NAT. okay, okay, let me edit security NAT source role set. I have to give the role name. I'll give here inside to outside NAT. okay, hit enter. Now set security, set from zone inside, set to zone outside. Okay, set okay, we have to create one more role here. So edit role, role name NAT, NAT role 1, we'll take as NAT role 1, and set source, set match source address, our inside IP address, that is 10.1.1.0/24. I'll define the whole subnet. okay, hit enter. Now set source NAT and interface. So I want to do the NAT translation on the outside interface of the SRX firewall. Okay, so compare, you can see here the NAT source. This is the NAT source NATing I'm doing. So the role, set the role name from inside to outside zone, and the role number 1, and matching the okay role name, matching the source address is my inside subnet, and I'm doing the source NAT. Let me commit this. Okay, before that let me check. No, succeeds. Let me commit it. Now sorry, it will run ping and ping 4.2.2.2. still not pinging. We'll see. It's now started pinging, so it's taking some time to converge. Now I can able to reach the public DNS from my SRX firewall. Let me ping and to okay, from here I can ping it and can test. It's pinging. That's great. Now show security NAT and start. Let me try source role applications. Source role space all. You can see here the NAT role. You can see the translation hits. So the successful sessions 33. Okay, so you can see here the role ID, role position, which zone to which zone, and what is the source range, and translation hits. Okay, let me ping from my inside Windows PC to the Google DNS, public DNS pinging. Okay, so security flow sessions I can also see here. Okay, so number of sessions you can see here is going on increasing. The sessions are 5 now. Okay, that's fine. So security flow sessions, so where we can see the current translations, current traffic in the SRX firewall. So it is showing that from inside and outside traffic. That's great news. Okay, now it's continuously pinging. Let me ping another DNS. Okay, let me ping the google.com. We'll check the reachability of the internet. Okay. Yep, it's reachable. Let me, you can see the show security flow sessions. Wait for some time. Yep. So we got here. This is my source, and this is the public IP address, and this is out on the interface, outside interface, and this is from public to the IP address, my outside interface IP address. Okay, let me okay. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, so we'll see whether we can able to access the internet or not from this my inside Windows PC. Okay, let me open the google.co.in. Yep, it's working. Can able to reach the internet. Can browse my inside PC, Windows PC. Okay, let me try this Juniper NAT also. You can see here the number of sessions. You can see the flow sessions also, the current traffic on the SRX firewall. Yep, and a lot of things are going on through this SRX firewall now. You can see here, can able to open my Juniper.NAT website on my inside Windows PC. Okay, that's fine. Let me try to open YouTube also. Yep, it's opening. You can see the number of translations, number of sessions going through the SRX firewall. You can see. Okay, this is my inside subnet have been translated to the 192.168.11.0 is my outside subnet. Okay, now let me try to do the same thing from my VPCs. This is one of my inside PC. Okay, I have been already configured the IP address as 10.1.1.11. so let me try to ping the public DNS. Yep, it's pinging. And let me try to ping google.com. Yeah, it will not because it don't have the DNS configured, so that's why the sessions are disconnected immediately. Okay, let me stop it and start it again. Okay, let me go to the configuration part. Can ping run ping again the public DNS. Yes, pinging. Show configuration part. There you can see okay, let's go and show. Display set. You can see here the policy from inside to outside. Okay, let me go into again configuration part. And yes, VPCs to internet and Windows inside Windows PC to internet is accessible now. So you can see now, we'll see now the other part from DMG to the internet. Let me do that part also. Okay, let me open my one of the DMG zone Windows PC. Okay, let me check the configuration. Yeah, it is already configured. .10. Let me ping the outside interface IP. It's not pinging. Okay, so normal behavior, as we haven't configured the NATing part yet. Let me ping to the public DNS. Okay, still it's not pinging. Let this be run in the background. So meanwhile we'll configure our NATing part. Okay, edit security NAT source rule set. I'll give the rule name DMG2 outside NAT. Okay, offset from set from zone. Okay, set to zone is outside. Edit security source NAT. Okay, edit role NAT role 2. Okay, can try no from zone. I guess match source no. It's not taking from here. Okay, match. Okay, delete it back. Edit role NAT role 2 set match source address. My DMG is subnet 172.16.1.0/24. Okay, hit enter. Set match destination zone. Okay, I got it. So then source NAT interface. Okay, let's exit and show. Sorry. Oh, compare. Yeah, so you can see here the NAT role, that is DMG2 outside NAT, and the rule set name is rule NAT rule 2, and the source address range and the source NAT and interface. Let me commit check. Succeeds. Let me comment the changes. Now you can see it should ping. Yeah, it's pinging. So I can able to reach my outside interface as well as the public DNS. That's great news. Okay. Okay. Let me try to browse the internet from this PC. I'm trying to open the Mozilla. yahoo.com. It's not opening. Let me try google.com. No, server not found. Okay, what might be the reason? Try to open the google.com. Now let me check the DNS configuration part, whether I have configured the DNS or not in the local area connection. Let me open the properties and let me open IPv4 settings. There is no DNS, so that might be the problem. Let me configure the DNS. It should be 4.2.2 and 8.8.8. These are the public DNS. Click OK, click OK. That's fine. Let me refresh this page. Yep, so started browsing the internet. That's good news again. Let me open yahoo.com. There, so Yahoo also opening. So good news again. That's fine. So we done that part. So you can able to reach internet from my inside Windows. Now you can try it from VPCs. Okay, so I already configured the IP address. Let me ping to the public DNS. Yeah, it's reachable. Okay, that's great. Let me ping google.com. Oh, sorry, another subnet DNS. And it's pinging. That's again good sign. Let me ping Google. It might close the window. Yeah, so because of that, the DNS is not configured. It's fine. So we done the part. So VPC 7 to the internet access there, and Windows 7 to internet access. So both we achieved. Yep. Happy. Thank you.